Hi, my name is Chuck Tuck, and in this video we will be doing an unboxing of the AVer MT300. The MT300 is a matrix tracking box with integrated audio tracking and switching capabilities of multi-cameras. So let's take a look and see what comes in the box. You have your user manual, and within the box we have another box. All right, now that I have everything laid out that was in the box, let's take a look at everything. You should have two brackets, comes in this package right here. In this package, this is your cable fixing plate. This is also part of the cable fixing plate system here. Put that right there. Once again, you do have two of your USB 3.0. You have your USB A to USB B. It's two cables. You have your RS422. You have mini ties to keep all of your cable management nice and clean. You have your power brick and the cable for the power brick itself. Now let's take a look at the MT300. Here you have it, the MT300. Nice, clean, very small, compact. You do have your USB 3.0s right here. You've got two HDMIs. You have your power. In the back, you do have more connections that we will go over in a different video. But there you have it. This is everything that comes in the package. Make sure that you take your manual out and just double check that you have all of the parts needed. It's all right here, laid out in the front, one of the front two pages. That's it. Once again, this is the MT300 Matrix Tracking Box. Thanks for watching.